take a deep bow. In the storm I find peace I vow.